Yum, 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 yum. Oops, I think the egg fell. Oh well. Yum, 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 yum. It's pretty silent. Maybe we should listen to the radio. That's a good idea, Stormy. I got this. Is this actually a radio? Why is Bubblelisha in there? Or is she Bubblelisha? Yeah, she's Bubblelisha. Hi, Lucian. Hi, Stormy. I'm gonna be unboxing Bubblelisha today. 2017 exclusive San Diego Comic-Con. What? I don't get it. It's a Comic-Con exclusive. She's a Comic-Con exclusive. Hi, guys. I can't really talk in here because, well, I don't know. Just please get me out of this box. It kind of echoes in here. And I got this fake microphone. I can't even sing because my arms and legs are stuck. Don't worry, we'll help you. Wait a second. Weren't you at the Comic-Con? Yeah, I was. Wow, that's amazing. I wish I could have my spotlight sometime. Everybody, it's me, Scarlett, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Bubblelisha doll. It's a Comic-Con exclusive. And it looks like she's in a radio, which she looks like a rock star. Last time, like a long time ago, I unboxed this Jessiecake doll, which she looks almost the same as the other Jessiecake doll, except she's golden and everything's golden. And the skirt, her hair, definitely her hair. Yeah, I think Bubblelisha looks like the one that's super different. Ooh, she's pretty. I like her pink color. It totally matches her style. Before we open her up, let's play some radio. Let's play a song on the radio. Oh, nothing's happening. Maybe this is just a box. Wait a second. You mean I got a box? No, it's from the Comic-Con. Wait, what am I talking about? Anyways, enough of this crazy talking. Let's open her up. What do you think? What do you think? We need to give her like a gift before she comes out, right? Yeah. What gift? She likes sparkles. Glitter? Glitter glue? Will she like gold? Will she like red? Will she like silver? Maybe the closest color that she likes. Because we only got these colors. Yep. Maybe silver. Hey! I think I have an idea. Doesn't red and, well, this is not actually white, but does red and silver make pink? I don't know. Let's try. She's here! Hello, everybody! Oh my god, Bubblelisha, you're finally out of the box! I know! I've been stuck in that box for like ages. Until someone won me and then, yeah. Gee, your hair! It's super different! Oh, yeah, it is super different. Well, just like the only pink color, which I love. I decided to do another style, but keep my hair the way it is. Yeah, I dyed my hair gold. and glittery. Wow, I love your dress. You seriously look like a rock star. I know I look like a rock star, but seriously, my box that came in, well, I thought it was an actual radio, but no, it's not an actual radio. So guys, here's Bubblelisha with her VIP card. VIP card. And here's the back of it. There's the code, but I'm not going to show you the code. Of course not. No. Looks super different today. I think because she was. So she has like this ponytail and a ruff. It's kind of rough. And she also has those string hair that is glittery and stuff. I don't know what it's called. And she has this amazing style. Girl. And she has this bow that like makes her go, hello! And she's super cute with that bow on. So, like in the original Bubblelisha doll, well, let me show you. It's like this. But then she transformed into this. Which one do you like better? I kind of like this one better because, well, it's glittery and it's super new. And also has more features. And she also has makeup on, but this one doesn't have makeup. She has makeup. That's the cool thing about the Shoppies now. And she got this, I don't know if this is actually the word, but it's kind of like hollow and beautiful. So I don't know how this reminds me of like a bubble, but the only thing is because, well, it's pink. And both pink, kind of. Not all the time, though. And she has very pink lipstick. Like, very pink. And, like, in this, like, she has normal. I'm not sure if she actually has one. She also has amazing purple gloves. Awesome. They are also really pearly. And these bubble parts of it. And I never see like Bubblelisha wear stockings or whatever they wear tights. But this is the first time I see a Shopee with super glittery tights. Well, gemstones has glittery tights, but I don't see that much glitter. And I don't not see that much color. And anyway, I didn't notice before, but she kind of have like darker hair, like highlights. Darker hair, like they're pink, but they're highlights. Kind of like a hot pink. Yeah, hot pink. I don't know why I like her better, but I think I like her better because, well, her makeup is super. It's making her a lot beautiful. That's not a word. Beautiful. It's not a word. I don't. Like everything. It's glittery. I don't know what I'm saying. Glittery. Like almost everything. Well, except her dress. The bubbles over here is glittery. Anyways, her dress is not glittery, but it's super shiny. And these gloves are pearly, not glittery, but shiny. And I love her boots. Or the shoes or boots. They're very pink. I can see them. It's not blue, not red, not yellow. It's pink. And I also could see the design. It circles like bubblegum. Like when you blow bubblegum, like there's a circle, like you blow a sphere. Sphere. I feel like her lipstick is much darker and much hotter, and her lipstick got a little bit thicker because, well, maybe she started with like light lipstick, then she like puts another coat, and then makes this. OMG, I like my new look. Oh, hey me! Hey me! Of course she comes with her cute little shopkins. And this is not a shopkin, I think. It's a purse. And whoa, it's super. Even the bubbles. Because, I don't know. The glitter comes off. So, like the part where you hold the bag, the bubbles all around, is super glittery. And you can see it because, oh, sorry, Bubblelisha. So, this is, well, the glitter's not bothering me because I love it. Glitter is like, so the thing that I know about this is because, like, it's supposed to be pink. No, it's yellow. It's supposed to be yellow all around. No color is different. But this is purple. The purple bubble in the spring is Bubblelisha sprinkles sparkle. Maybe I shouldn't have to say sprinkles. It's probably for Jessiecake. Yeah, I know. Hey, when did the other Bubblelisha get here? Jessiecake, when did you get, gold hair? It's a long story. Here's her brush to comb or brush her hair. Oh my god, why? It's okay. I'm not even holding on her, so she has a reason to fall. Okay, which side is it? Is this side? Or is it this side? It's this side. So, well, I love the comb too. Brush. Yeah, brush. I like the brush too because, like clear things are like made. Because I love clear things. Like, you could see through them. But glitter and clear things. Whoa, that's amazing. So I definitely love this more than the original brush. It has these bubbles in the bowl, and then lipstick, and big eyes, bigger than a Shopkins eye. Here's her exclusive Shopkins. So here is this one. Is it Bubblelicious? Oh yeah, it's Bubblelicious, I think. So here's Bubblelicious. She has gone super pink this time. She's not going for yellow this time. Well, the glitter's pretty. But anyways, her shoes are white, but it's whole pink. Like bubblegum is pink. Bubblegum is pink. Even though pink is not only the bubblegum color, I think. Maybe. Is this Gabby Gumball? I think this is Gabby Gumball. I didn't read it. Oh my god. So this is Gabby Gumball. I think she's super glittery and the camera's not focusing on her. Okay, yeah. I thought the camera wasn't focusing on her because she's super glittery. The camera's like, no! I hate glitter! But I like glitter. Hello, Bubblelicious! Bubblelicious, yeah, Bubblelicious. And I didn't notice at first, but I think she was... Oh no, she is not blowing a bubble. I thought she was blowing a bubble. But she has lipstick. I didn't know that she had lipstick on. I thought she was blowing a bubble. Yeah. And you can see like her crown or something there, a bubble there. It's covered in glitter, so I'm not sure if it's like a crown or it's a bow or bubbles. She looks super woolly. Uh-oh. Yes, I am worried. I'm super worried. Because I don't want to talk about it. So here we have it. The new Comic Con exclusive Bubblelisha doll. And a VIP card. And for the second time, I'm not going to show you. glittery too. I didn't know that. God, it's super glittery! Well, I'm glad we're... What was I gonna say? Where's my laugh? I'm glad we met the new Bubblelisha Comic-Con exclusive doll. Now, Bubblelisha, are you gonna be like this for a while, or are you gonna change back to your regular self? I'm probably gonna be like this for a while. I'm loving it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like this video and watch. Of course, you're watching this video. Why wouldn't you watch this video if you don't? I'm sad. Tell your friends to watch this video. You can also share this video with